Okay, so this is the part 3 version 2 test. We are going to check cell quality via headphones. We've checked the past audio files or Twitch uploads, and they were flawless. I mean, my god. Technically, the last one, it did sound a little odd, so I went ahead and restarted, what did I restart? I restarted stuff. I restarted OBS and Adobe Audition. I just double checked all the settings and levels, and we should be just beyond golden. So, killed Wi Fi on my phone because I want to test the signal strength of what I'm putting out and just downloading or streaming via the cell network, which I know is totally going to vary across the planet, but damn these ads. Shimon. Alright. Let's see. Anything? No audio. No audio? Seems okay. Let's sit. Okay. How's that? Decent? Decent. This should be okay. Good. Not terrible. Potentially terrible. I can't tell. Yeah, this is good. This is awesome. This is fine. This is great. I've got my box of consoles, and I don't know. I'm gonna have to move the chair. I'm just way too close, but I've got no, maybe. Okay, the chair's in the way with the camera and the mic. But there's two more black drawers in the white dresser behind me. Although I doubt I'm gonna get through all of them. This is great. Yeah, golden. Signal's perfect. Oh yeah, you can kind of see when I turn the edge of the stuff. Dude, this is golden. 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 Alright. Stopping the stream. We will continue from here. Dum dum dum.